If you manage projects with dependencies in Monday.com, this new feature is a massive time saver. Today, I'm going to show you how to batch map dependencies instead of adding them one task at a time. Until recently, if you wanted to add dependencies to your project plan, you had to open each individual task and manually assign what it's dependent on. For example, if task 4 needed to depend on task 2, you had to search for that task, select it, manage the dependency type, and repeat that process over and over again. On large project plans, this adds up fast. Now, Monday.com has released a new feature that allows you to create batch dependencies for finish to start sequences. Instead of clicking into every task, you can select multiple items at once and map dependencies automatically in order. Let's look at it in action. I'm going to select task 2, task 6, task 9, and task 14. Once selected, you will see a new option called Batch Dependencies. When you click it, Monday.com automatically creates finish to start dependencies from top to bottom, task by task. When I apply batch dependencies, each task is now dependent on the one before it. No manual searching, no repetitive clicking. You can also use this for smaller sequences. For an example, creating a dependency from task 3 to task 5, and then from task 5 to task 12. This feature is especially useful for project managers and schedulers working with large timelines, complex builds, or repeatable templates. It reduces setup time, minimizes error, and makes dependency management such more efficient. If you want help building scalable project plans, advanced dependency logic, or portfolio-level scheduling in Monday.com, click the link below and schedule a free discovery call. And if you want more practical Monday.com tips like this, subscribe to the Workflow Magic YouTube channel for weekly tutorials. Thanks for watching.